Hi friends, today in our class we are going to study and understand about the meaning of ascribe status and achieve status. Let's start our class. First we study ascribe status. What it means a role or a status assigned according to hereditary without regard to individual preference, ability or performance. In simple word, you can say a child can acquire easily by birth what the child acquire by birth, the name of the family or the caste, the citizenship, the status, the economic status of the child. These are the examples of ascribed status. Understand? Now, the society has its own rules to ascribe status to different peoples. Generally, the three factors are important in being ascribed a status in society. Which are those means the society means which are those means the age, sex, kinship. So the what is the means the gender. All society prescribe different attitudes and roles to men and women. Means if when we take mother and the father, perform, she is a homemaker, she perform all the home activities, whereas the father who handle the outside the jobs, the earnings, the business, like this. The second is the age. Generally a society recognize at least four age periods: infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. The old persons seek to hold their power because they have a kind of superiority. A superiority developed by the ascription of status on the basis of age and seniority. The next is the kinship. The society ascribed status to child on the basis of his parents' relations to his parents. The ascriptions of the citizenship, religion, caste, community, membership. These are the most, in most cases, a matter of identification with parents. Means what? Means the status of the family, the position, the caste, the religion of the parents or the family, which easily come to acquire the child. Understand? This is called the ascribed status. Now we understand the next achieved status. What it mean? In this picture you can saw our prime minister Rajni, and the famous film actor Rajnikant, and the astronaut and the cricketer Virat Kohli. These are the examples of achieved status. Means what the meaning of achieved status? A role or a status attained by individual choice or effort or by their skill, the ability. Change of status according to individuals' talent, effort, and skill. Generally, primary in primitive society, they put greater emphasis on ascribed status. Means the what the as I earlier told, the what the status of the family, it also go through the life of the child, whole life of the child. Whereas the achieved status is one can achieve by his effort, his talent, his skill, his ability. In civilized society, there is an emphasis on achieved status. In traditional societies, most status are ascribed with occupation and general social standard determined by birth. Whereas in industrial society, there is a greater range of occupations, require greater mobility of labor, and allow greater scope to change through individual effort. The achieved status required people to make choice not only of occupation but also friends, organizations, school and places, and also residence. understand one the individual can achieve his position in society through his effort, his skill, his ability. This is called the achieved status. Rapid social change have gave rise to many status which cannot be filled by ascription. In conclusion, hope you understand the meaning, the difference between achieved and ascribed status. In conclusion, we can say achieved, ascribed, and achieved status are basically different, yet these interact with each other and may overlap sometime. Thanks for listening.